This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Unlock your iPhone 15 and open Settings, then tap Sounds and Haptics. You want to control the ringer and alert slider because that directly sets alarm volume. Once done, make sure no Bluetooth headset or speaker is actively routing sound. Disconnect if needed. Also glance at the side silent switch so you know the phone will ring. This first action establishes the volume source you'll adjust, so do it now and don't skip to the clock app yet. Now adjust the ringer and alert slider while paying attention to the sample feedback sound. This is effectively your alarm volume. If you prefer hardware control, enable change with buttons so the side volume keys modify that same slider. Press the buttons to fine-tune. If change with buttons is off, only the on-screen slider changes alarm loudness, so move it slowly for precision. Once you've set a comfortable level, close Settings and proceed to verify. Finish by creating a quick test alarm and clock for 1 or 2 minutes ahead and label it Test so you don't miss it. Lock the phone and let it go off to confirm the alarm uses the ringer and alerts level you set. If it sounds muffled or routes to another device, make sure Bluetooth is disconnected and check audio output in Control Center. Switch to iPhone speaker if needed. That single troubleshooting step solves most cases where the alarm seems quiet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.